for this, you'll need half a teaspoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of oil, the juice of half a lemon. You'll need some salt and pepper as well. Get some feta or any cheese that you like. Slice cucumber, carrot, tomato, lettuce, capsicum, and maybe some toasted sunflower seeds as well. It's really easy, and the first thing you've got to do is make your dressing. So I've got a little bowl, add my honey in, and it's just a little bit, so I'm just going to put that little thing in there. Spoon, lemon juice, oil goes in, and mix it up, mix it all together. Now my honey's stuck to my thing, so excuse fingers, I've already washed them. Just going to put that down, and then mix that honey in like that. Okay, next, get a regular jar, anyone you've got at home. This is really fun to put in your lunch. Take your dressing and kind of gently pour it into the bottom of your jar. And then, here's the fun part. Get all your veggies ready to go, and then we're gonna layer up our salad in the jar. Now, because our dressing is gonna sit at the bottom, we wanna start with something kind of not leafy or kind of thin. So I'm gonna go with the tomatoes. Pop that in. Now we're starting with our dressing at the bottom because we want to keep it at the bottom. And then when we get to the time that we want to have our salad, we can mix it up, shake it up, and then it'll be freshly seasoned with our dressing. And then that way, if we've put our salad dressing in all day, oh, so many runaway pieces of cucumber. Pop them in. If we put our salad dressing in all day and it's sitting in our salad, then it's not going to be very tasty. It's going to make our salad a bit limp and a bit soggy. So we dress it right at the end. Salad goes in. Pop all those in. And then I'm going to go a little bit of capsicum, a little bit of cheese on top. And there we are. Pop your sunflower seeds. And then, there we have our wee salad in a jar. So take that into your backpack and your lunch, and then when you're all ready to have your kind of salad, you flip it over, shake it up, shake it all around, and then you have a freshly dressed salad. It's super easy. Open it, and there is your salad. Super delicious. If you made this jar on your lunch, let us know how yours turned out and send us a photo to the clubhouse. And if you're looking for more info about Food for Thought and how your school can get involved, just head to the Fanimals website and click on the New World Food for Thought button.